This is a true story about a woman who lived in India in the Middle Ages and had a pet snake, Python, which she loved so much. The snake was 4 meters long and looked healthy. However, one day her pet snake just stopped eating. This lack of appetite in the snake continued over a few weeks. The desperate woman tried everything. Nothing worked. Finally, woman took her loving pet to the vet as a last resort. The vet listened to the woman carefully and asked, "Does your snake sleep with you at night, wrap around you closely, and spread out its length?" The woman was surprised and said, "Yes, yes, he does, every day. And it makes me so sad because I cannot help him." Then the vet said something shocking and most unexpected. "Madam, your snake is not sick. He is just preparing to eat you. Every time he is creeping and hugging you, wrapping around your body, it is sizing you up. And he is preparing himself for the attack. And yes, he doesn't eat in order to have enough space to digest you easily." This story comes with a moral to everyone. You have friends that are close to you with whom you chat to 24/7 day and night. You're affectionate with, but they could have mean intentions. You need to identify the snake around you and their true intentions. Hugs and kisses are not always honest. Don't fear the enemy that attacks you, but fear the fake friend that hugs you.